हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू चैनल। बिना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं बढ़ते हैं वीडियो की तरफ। लेट्स गो। The osmotic expansion of cell gift in bottle is cheaply regulated by option A ribosomes, B plastid, C vacuoles. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer is option C vacuoles. Which of the following ribosomes are engaged in protein synthesis in animal cell? Option R. A. Ribosome which occur on nuclear membrane and ER. B. Ribosome of only cytosol. C. Ribosome of only nucleolus and cytosol. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer is option A. Ribosome which occur on nuclear membrane and ER. Select the correct matching in the following pair. A. Rough ER synthesis of glycogen. B. Smooth ER oxidation of phospholipids. C. Smooth ER synthesis of lipids. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer C. Smooth ER synthesis of lipid. The term glycocalyx is used for option A layer present between cell wall and membrane of bacteria. Option B, a layer surrounded the cell wall of bacteria. And option C, cell wall of bacteria. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer B, a layer surrounded the cell wall of bacteria. Which one of the following cellular part is correctly described? Option A. Lysosome optimally active at pH about 8.5. B. Thylakoid flattened membranous sac forming the grana of chloroplast. C. Centriole sites for active RNA synthesis. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer is option B. Thylakoids flattened membranous sac forming the grana of chloroplast. Which of the following has its own DNA? Option A. Lysosomes. B. Peroxisomes. C. Mitochondria. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer C. Mitochondria. A cell organelle contain hydrolytic enzyme is A. Mesosomes. B. Lysosomes. C. Microsomes. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer B. Lysosomes. Which of the following is true for nucleolus? Option A. It is site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. B. It takes part in spindle formation. C. Larger nuclei are present in dividing cells. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer A. It is a site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis. Element necessary for the middle lamella is option A. calcium, B. potassium, C. zinc. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer A. Calcium. The figure below shows the structure of a mitochondrion with its 4 parts labeled A, B, C and D. Select the part correctly matched with its function. Option A matrix, major site of respiratory chain. Option B, inner membrane form in folding called cyste. C. Crista, possess single circular DNA molecules and ribosomes. Option D, outer membrane give rise to inner membrane by splitting. Give answer in 5 seconds in comment box right now. Answer B, inner membrane form in folding called cyste. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and